Why do the gods torment me with such reckless, destructive, blasphemous sons?
Father, hear what
Be still, Pharaoh speaks. I seek to build an empire, and your only thought is to amuse yourselves by tearing it down. Have I taught you nothing?
You mustn't be so hard on yourself, Your Majesty. You're an excellent teacher.
It's not your fault your sons learned nothing.
Well, they learned blasphemy. True.
Father, the fault is mine. I goaded Ramesses on, and so I am responsible.
Responsible. And do you know the meaning of that word, Ramesses?
I understand, Father.
And do you understand the task for which your birth has destined you? The ancient traditions. When I pass into the next world, then you will be the morning and evening star.
One damaged temple does not destroy centuries of tradition.
But one weak link can break the chain of a mighty dynasty. You have my leave to go.
Father.
Father, you know it was really my fault. Must you be so hard on him?
Moses, you will never have to carry a burden like the crown I will pass to Ramesses. He must not allow himself to be led astray. Not even by you, my son.
All he cares about is your approval. I know he will live up to your expectations. He only needs the opportunity.
Maybe. Maybe so. Go now. I shall see you both tonight.
Well, that went well.
Just go away.
Could have been worse.
The weak link in the chain. That's what he called me.
Well, you are rather pathetic.
Irresponsible, ignorant of the traditions. He practically accused me of bringing down the dynasty.
Yeah, I can see it now. There go the pyramids.
You can laugh about it.
Statues cracking and toppling over, the Nile drying up. Single-handedly, you will manage to bring the greatest kingdom on earth to ruin.
Tell me this, Moses, tell me this. Why is it that every time you start something, I'm the one who ends up in trouble?
Ramesses, you're in trouble, young man.
Get down here. I think you owe us an apology.
Oh, my new thing.
I am so upset.
You might as well.
We're gonna tell the Pharaoh.
I figured it out. You know what your problem is, Ramesses?
What?
You care too much.
And your problem is you don't care at all.
Oh, in that case, I suppose you care a lot more than I do that we're late for the banquet, for example?